On July 12, 2019 at 1301 in Juab County, speeding, going 70 in a 65 zone, 41-68-601, 41-68-601, 0 to 10 miles per hour over the posted $120 fine. Are we guilty?
Yeah, we're guilty.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah, Baby Mac. The Baby Mac, emotional news. The car is 100% officially sold. Focus RS speeding citation. I was caught. I'm guilty. 83 and a 65. The officer graciously dropped it to 70. $120 fine. I was gonna fight it, but I'm guilty. It's crazy how much has changed so quickly. The R8 is in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The Baby Mac is in Oregon. We got the OG. The Aventador looks like a clown car, and the door still squeaks. Originally, the Baby Mac was listed on eBay Motors, but unfortunately, the winning bidder kind of sort of just disappeared on us. So the car was sent to Riverside, California to dealer auction. It sold there about 10 days ago to a guy in the state of Oregon. I haven't talked to him personally, but I talked to the dealer who bought the car for him, and it sounds like he's a viewer or subscriber. He's gonna unwrap the car, and he might wrap it purple to match the Aventador, which would be so sick. And if that happens, I would love to fly out to Oregon, see the car in person, film a video with it, meet the owner. So we'll kind of sort of see if that's gonna happen. I'm not sure what other plans he has for it, but yes, officially 100%, the Baby Mac has been sold, and it's in the beautiful state of Oregon. So we got to race up to Park City. Clayton is wrapping the front bumper on the Aventador, and then we might. I don't want to get your hopes up. We might see a Lexus LFA, maybe. There's a chance. We're probably gonna see one. I've been working out, pushing a Lambo. Whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Very exciting news is in this envelope. I need your guys' help. The Gladiator, the Elephant, the 6x6, I need a custom vanity plate for it, but I don't know what to do. I want to somehow tie in 6x6 into Strad so it matches the guy on the Aventador, but well, yeah, if you guys have any good ideas, let me know in the comments below. Like, I honestly, genuinely don't know what to do, and I need a good idea, so let me know. I was gonna push the Gallardo back, and then I realized it has a V10, so... Exciting news regarding the C8 Corvette. I have narrowed down my spec to 2 finalists, and I need you guys to decide. So, Instagram stories, go on there. I'm gonna do a poll on my story, and I need you guys to vote. Either A, we're gonna go Arctic White with blue interior, which is sick, it's like RS1 spec, or B, we're gonna go Rapid Blue, also with blue interior. If you did not see my last video, go check it out. That'll give you guys a better idea of like what the 2 specs look like. Go to Instagram, link in the description below, go to my Instagram stories at TheStradman, vote, whichever one wins, that's the spec. Obviously we're gonna add like a bunch of carbon options, we're gonna have a big wing and whatnot, but the basis is either white with blue interior or blue with blue interior. Go vote, link in the description below. I just realized that cold start was pathetic because the valves are closed and now they're open. Sorry, also, check engine light. Look at Clayton, cradling Sal like a baby. Welcome back here to Summit Auto Lab. So Clayton, you guys know Clayton, he's gonna be wrapping the front bumper matte iced amethyst titanium. So the Argos is gone, the Clown Aventador is no more. However, if today's video gets 100,000 likes, I need 100,000 of you to support this decision, I will wrap, and when I say actually I need to talk to Clayton about this, but anyways, let me finish the segment. I will wrap every single panel on the Aventador a different color. So, smash that like button. 100,000, do it. It would look so sick. What do they call that?
You guys need to do that because I don't want to tell them my idea because I've wanted to do this for like 4 years and we're probably going to do it on your car now.
Oh. So we're doing it anyways.
Yes.
Okay, so I mean, still smash the like button,
likes.
but yeah, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Tentative plan is to have the Aventador on display at SEMA with KPMF. So that's kind of why we're leaving the Aventador wrap purple. I kind of sort of do want to remove it, but it's gonna be on the KPMF stand at SEMA in November. So we need to remove like these little shark fin things. So Clayton's putting me to work. Hopefully I don't break anything because I have a tendency to break things. All right, if I get this, Clayton, you owe me 20 bucks. What? Yeah. Ah!
Oh,
nope.
That would have been sweet.
Oh, we're terrible.
Get out of here.
We are
awful.
Bring it to me.
Really?
Oh, I got it. Yeah. Yes, yes.
Ready? Double.
Oh.
There we go.
I hate to do this to you guys, but we have some bad news. The LFA is not gonna make today's video. Kind of sort of a new wrap idea. What do you think about blending the orange with the purple, just like this Aventador SV in Japan that blends pink to black? I think it looks pretty sick. If today's well, no, we've already done that. Never mind. We got purple right there, there, and right there. We're going out to the boat right now, so we'll come back and finish the rest this evening. We are headed to Rockport Reservoir, which is that way, that way, that way, that way, there, but we're going to a gas station right there first, and then there. This side of the drone has a leg, and this side doesn't. I was flying this off at the dry lake bed, and it somehow fell off, and I don't really know how. I haven't flown it since, but well, we're gonna see what happens. You might not see drone footage because it might fall in the lake, but well, here we go. I've decided I'm buying a boat. It's happening. We're getting a boat. We're getting a boat. I don't know when. Well, actually, I do know when, like really, really soon. The issue is I don't know where to actually park the boat. So, we'll see. No! I'll do it next time, guys. Not today because it'd be a surprise. I'm also like dried off and everything. That was terrible. Anything you'd like to tell the viewers, Faith?
That was really...
Yeah.
That was the biggest thing I've ever done in my life.
Yeah. We might have to cut that out of the vlog. We'll see. We'll review the footage. Leg day, boys. I think I'm gonna buy a boat. Clayton, I buy the boat, you store the boat, you tell me how to drive the boat. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll buy the surfboards.
Perfect. Money. I'll buy the jet skis too. We need jet skis. we need 4. We'll only use 3 of them, but someday we'll use the other one. So.
Yep.
Someday.
You need to get a couple.
Strad girl. Wait, where are they? Strad girl.
There they are.
Strad girls.
Should I do a backflip for them?
Yeah, do backflip for them. Okay, Strad girl.
This backflip is for you.
Oh, she's clapping. She's clapping.
Yes. 10. Yes. I got a 10 out of 10. Yeah, she's like, you okay? You need help?
Are you done?
I've been working out. Might not look like it, but I have. Utah is just flexing on the nation. Are you kidding me? I need to buy a boat. I don't know how many times I've said that, but it's true. I'm buying a boat. Like, we're buying a boat, and we also are buying jet skis, so we got a lot of stuff to buy. Jeez, why do you have to do me like that? Are you kidding me? We have the barn build that's kind of sort of underway. The architect is working on the mock-ups right now. I need to call him first thing in the morning and tell him to build a side garage for the boat and jet skis. So we're already adding an addition to something that doesn't even exist. Oh, my knees. My knees. I'm gonna be okay, but my knees. Utah just continues to flex on the nation. We arrived back here to the lab. This is a tough transition in the vlog. We're out in a boat, and now Clayton is straight to work, and I'm doing nothing. So it's really a tough transition for Clayton. Faith is baking me a pizza. Cooking me a pizza. Maybe baking cookies though. More to come. All the way from the beautiful state of Michigan, we have the KPMF Matte Iced Amethyst Titanium. Dun 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 dun.
Look at that.
Yes.
That's like
nation.
That's like
Welcome
5
back
by
to
100
the channel.
feet right there.
We are gonna be wrapping everything in purple. The new boat, Clayton's entire shop, the barn, everything, you name it, we're wrapping it in purple. Even you, Sal. We're wrapping you, bud. Yeah. The $1 million question, is it finally time to wrap the carbon fiber hood purple? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think it might. I think so. We're not gonna do it tonight, but it might be time. Look at that teamwork. Husband and wife. Okay, husband and wife.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Dream team.
Dream team. Steady hands, steady hands. Yes. That's a little off. Right. Yeah.
Oh, I can't
I'm
see.
just kidding. I was just.
You put your
I
hand
triggered
in the way.
I triggered you there, boy. I triggered you. Man. The Clown Aventador is no more. Looks so sick. I love how the carbon splitter ties in with the carbon hood. And on that bombshell, I think we're gonna wrap it purple. So, yeah, Clayton, thank you, appreciate it. We are headed home and we're going to bed. Also, just want to note, the check engine light is gone, baby. All day long. Well, except for when it was here. Sorry to anybody sleeping right now. Oh my gosh. Clayton killed the install so well. The car looks amazing. We still have lots more to come on the Aventador, coming to a vlog. We have a small Jeep Gladiator update. If you saw the last vlog, the Hellfin is still happening, but not until September. And so America's Most Wanted is hooking us up with a temporary Hellcat. The Hellcat install started yesterday. They're actually pulling the body of the Gladiator off the frame tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get footage of that. Tentatively, the Hellcat swap should be done in about a week and a half, maybe, probably, tentatively. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over.